In this video, we will talk about how to solve for a leg or the hypotenuse of a triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. The first thing we want to do is step 1, fill out your formula. For the Pythagorean theorem, we're using a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. In this triangle, 5 would be a, 12 can be b, and then x would be c. Notice that x is the longest side, and it is also across from the right angle. C is always going to be the longest side, and it's always going to be across from the right angle in a right triangle. Now that we have written our formula, let's go ahead and fill it out. So a squared would be 5 squared, b squared would be 12 squared, and then c squared is still unknown. So 5 squared is now moving on to step 2. Calculate a squared and b squared and then add. So we have 5 squared, which is 25, 12 squared, which is 144, and c squared still unknown. 25 plus 144 is 169. So 169 is equal to c squared. The last step I had is find the square root of the sum of a squared and b squared to solve for c. So because 169 is equal to c squared, we're just trying to figure out what times what equals 169. How we do that is we find the square root of 169. You can do this by finding it on your calculator by typing in the square root symbol and then 169, and that'll give us the answer to c. So the square root of 169 is 13. So c is equal to 13.